Greetings and salutations, YouTube land. People back again with another unboxing video. Today I have a favorite on my channel. The latest box from Pro Wrestling Crate. This is a monthly subscription-based mystery box. It starts at $30. There's some cheaper plans, but honestly, if you're going to subscribe, you should get the full box. It's worth it. And whatever you don't want, you can sell. I don't remember the wrestlers this month. Yeah, I know there's some good ones. We usually get 2 t-shirts, an autograph, a micro brawler, and then a pin and some other random goodies. Alright. I've been waiting to get into this baby, so let's get ready for the unboxing. Jump, thank you. Ooh. Hogan came crashing down. So yeah, this is usually like one of the best things you can get if you're a wrestling fan. Honestly, if you're a wrestling fan, I don't know why you're not subscribed to this. The money is just always there. Even if the boxes aren't always my favorite. Some boiler card on top. Put that underneath. A couple of t-shirts. Ooh, I think I'm gonna like this one already. So sometimes I don't even like the wrestler, but I just really like the shirt. And we have it's Ghost Rider inspired. Oh, it's Hangman Adam Page. Oh, yeah, that's really cool. That is an awesome, awesome shirt. You'll probably be seeing that shirt later. Let's see. Not a lot in this box, so maybe this is one of those quality boxes. This is the micro brawler. Oops, point it towards me. Conan. I was hoping he'd be the autograph. I don't have one of just him. Yeah. Big Lucha star. Part of WCW's Lucha Invasion, I guess you'd call it. Part of the Lucha Underground. Responsible for bringing Phoenix, Pentagon, and I believe it was Drago to the US, so very important guy. Oh, there's something cloth but not t-shirt in here. It's like a bag. Road Warrior Workout. Not bad. It's one of these cinch bags that I never, ever use, and I have like a million of. Hey, High Spots, gotta deal with these guys. Get a bunch of these bags. Replace the stupid impact ones. Oops. Let's see, the pin. And oh, sweet, it's Dusty Rhodes. Ooh. Man, I hope the camera picks this up. This is going to be cool. Yeah, I don't know. So his arm can actually move and do the atomic elbow, baby. Nice. I love pins, and I love when they go the extra mile. Let's do that other shirt. Nasty Boys, maybe? Just judging by the graffiti. Nice. Let's get nasty. These guys were the tag team champs when I first started watching a long time ago. And man, did I hate them. Let's see. Ooh, a sticker. Dude love. Ooh, have mercy. They've been doing a lot of these stickers lately, and I love them. I keep all of my autographs in Itoya folders, and these are awesome to decorate the outside. I would put them on my laptop, but my laptop is full. Comic book. This is Headlocked Tales from the Road. This is a Jerry Lawler based one, it looks like. These are always really cool. Yeah, they're well worth reading if you're a wrestling fan. Unfortunately, I cannot seem to keep these things in decent condition, so I have a bunch and they're beat to heck. Luckily, they usually do like digital collections and stuff, so. Now down to the autograph. It's going to be a total surprise. Hopefully it's somebody I don't have. And it is that... Doc Gallows. I've already got 2 or 3 of him, so... Bummer. If you don't have him, it's good. He's not a cheap autograph, actually, so... That's part of the, what do they call them? The club, I think it was, in, WWE, now out on the independents. So, this was actually a more packed box than I initially thought. I love that pin. That's probably my favorite thing this month, although the t-shirts were incredible, so... Yeah, there's not much I could complain about this time. They really did an awesome, awesome job. Let's see, next month's, which we all know I'm going to forget. I should try to keep this somewhere. Will feature Eddie Kingston, Kevin Nash, the Lucha Bros, Buddy Murphy, Rob Van Dam, Chris Candido, Roddy Piper, and the Honky Tonk Man. That's a pretty stacked bunch. Can I guess Eddie Kingston is the autograph? Although I could see Buddy Murphy. Rob Van Dam would be cool. I've got him, but it would still be cool. And Chris Candido, who I would love an autograph of, but he's not the easiest to find. Let's see, the Ghost Rider Hangman Adam Page shirt, the Nasty Boy shirt, Conan Brawler. There's some Chase out there. I've never seen one. Jerry Lawler comic, Dusty Rhodes pin, Animal bag, and the Dude Love sticker. So yeah. Well worth the money, well worth investing in. Like I said, if you're a wrestling fan and you don't get this box, you should be asking yourself some questions. Right. If you enjoyed this, shoot me that thumbs up. Anything to say if you got anything cool? If you got one of the Chase, please let me know. I've never even seen one and I would love to. Ding! That bell's to be notified whenever my videos go live. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any videos. So always be excellent to each other. Party on, dudes!